In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change spoken language. If you want your device to talk to you in a different language for voice guidance, read aloud features, or accessibility tools, this quick walkthrough will help you make that change with confidence. Begin by opening Settings on your device. This is the central place where all system preferences live. Once you're in, look for the section labeled General. It's where foundational options are grouped so you won't have to dig through app-specific menus. Inside General, find and open Spoken Language. This is the dedicated area for voice output and the language your device uses when it speaks to you. On the spoken language screen, you'll typically see a list of available languages, and in many cases, regional variations as well. Here, choose the language you want the device to use for spoken responses. Some systems also let you preview pronunciations or sample lines, so you can make sure the voice sounds clear and natural to you before finalizing your choice. If you notice a small download icon or a prompt, that simply means the language pack needs to be installed. That's normal, and it helps ensure accurate pronunciation and offline functionality. Depending on your device, this download may require a moment and, in some cases, an internet connection. After you select your preferred spoken language, most devices apply the change immediately across system voice features. You might hear a confirmation tone, see a quick message, or notice that voice guidance now uses your new selection. If your device supports multiple profiles or user accounts, keep in mind that spoken language can sometimes be saved per user, so the change will follow the active profile. A few helpful notes as you wrap up. The exact wording of these menus can vary slightly by manufacturer or software version, but the path remains the same. Go to Settings, open General, then choose Spoken Language. Some apps manage their own voice settings independently, so if one specific app still speaks in a different language, that app may have its own preference to review later. And if you rely on accessibility tools, such as screen readers, the spoken language you set here generally applies to those features as well. Improving consistency throughout your device. That's all there is to it. By heading to Settings, opening General, and selecting Spoken Language, you can tailor your device's voice to match your needs and preferences. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new spoken language experience.